Are you facing the message, this account can no longer use WhatsApp? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the latest 2025 WhatsApp ban new solution that actually works. Whether your account was banned for using modified apps, suspicious activity, or unknown reasons, this step-by-step guide will help you recover your account fast. So in this tutorial, I'm not going to explain you the real reason behind WhatsApp account bans because I have posted a separate video on it and I'll leave that video's link in the description and first comment. If you have still not watched it, just go watch that video because that is very important and that will tell you the real reason and after unban what steps you must do in order to maintain your unbanned account. If you do not follow those steps within the next 3 days, your account will get unbanned your account will get banned even after the unban. But what I'll be teaching in this video is how to appeal your WhatsApp ban the correct way so that your account would get restored and you will be able to use WhatsApp like before. Not only that, I'll be showing you guys how to contact WhatsApp support for quick unban results. If you just follow this method, most probably I got my account unbanned within the next 2 days, that is 48 hours. According to WhatsApp, your account would get unbanned within the next 24 to 48 hours. If you do not follow this step, follow the steps in this video, your account would take for about 3 to 7 business days to unban or even get a reply from WhatsApp. And finally, I'll also be covering the safe methods to create or restore your WhatsApp without losing data because our data is important, right? Okay, so this method works on both Android and iPhone and it's 100% safe. By following these simple steps, you can get your WhatsApp back in minutes and continue chatting securely. So can we dive into the actual work? Oh, before that, I'll introduce myself. Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me, Surya Prakash. Now let us dive into the video. So as you can see, I am in this page. This is official WhatsApp page which tells about account bans. See, this is the error which we are facing, right? This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Yeah. So in this page, what they have written is that if we think our account has banned by mistake by their automatic filter robots, then we must request a review in the application. When you get this error, you will find appeal or submit for review. But once your account gets rejected for review, you will get to this page. But do not worry, from here also we can recover your account back to this. Okay, so just do not worry. Yeah, so if you already submitted an appeal and you got a reply like that, then do not worry. First of all, you must stop using unofficial apps. If you're using an unofficial version of WhatsApp, then first of all, just go and uninstall it. Just go to that fake version of WhatsApp, just long press here and just go to settings and just click on the uninstall button. This will help you solve future problems also. Now the next thing which you have to do is scroll down to the end of this page. I mean, you do not have to scroll down. I will just show you how to contact WhatsApp. What you must do is, in the WhatsApp website, what they have told to us is we must contact them. And how do we contact them? That is the true question. When you can get to this page and contact them. See, in here we can just enter all our details and contact them directly. If you need link to this page, then just feel free to ask it in the comment section. I'd be glad to help you. And the next way to contact them via the app is going to be once you have uninstalled, and I mean before contacting them, just make sure you have installed the original version of WhatsApp. Just open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, just click on these 3 icons over here. Here you'll find an option on asset. Just click this. Enter your phone number, choose your country code, and just click on next. Once you do it in app or here, just enter your message properly. By proper message, I mean your message must look like this. As you can see, this is how your message must look like. Well, if you just need this message also, then I can send you this message also. So the most important things which you have to note is the top two paragraphs can remain the same. The most important things which you have to note is your band number. It must be your full number with country code. Example, I have already written an example. As you can see here, next to your country, which country you're from, that must be written here. For in my case, it's going to be India, and my country code for India is going to be +91. And for device type, whether your device is Android or iOS, just mention whether Android or iPhone. Do not mention anything more than this. In here also enter your correct phone number in which they may call you, but mostly they won't. They'll just mail you. So make sure to enter your proper mail address. Once you do that, you would get a thank you page like this. Obviously not like this, but you would get a thank you page like this. Once you get that, all you've got to do is wait for the next 24 to 48 hours. They will contact you within that time. I mean, if it's a holiday, they won't, but within the next 1 or 2 business days, they will reach out to you, most probably via mail. They reached out to me via mail. So once they reach out to you, you can actually talk to them. Even if your account has been already reviewed and you get this page, or even if you get a page like this, that is, if you just spam, you'd get a page warning page like this. Even if you get a page like this, you will be still able to get a reply from them, and this is the only way for it. So at the end, just wait for it, and once your wait is done, you can get back your account. This happy page, I just call it happy page, but this page, you can also arrive to this page. So if these solutions are helping you so far, just go and smash that like button and subscribe button to Protech Genius for more WhatsApp fixes, tech tutorials, and app troubleshooting guides. And mainly, don't forget to tap on the bell icon to stay updated. And that's it. Your WhatsApp problem should now be completely solved. If you found this video helpful, just drop a comment below telling which method worked for you. I mean, I have posted various methods, and so you can just tell me which method worked for you, and you can also tell me which videos you would want next. Finally, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay techy, and keep exploring with Protech Genius.